So the fabrication of the hull is complete. The last thing remaining is the touch-up paint and the addition of the draft marks and signage showing all of our wonderful project partners and the name of the vessel, Don. We're currently performing the watertight testing of the hull. This involves filling the hull with air to ensure that all of the welds are suitable for use offshore and aren't going to let any water leak in. This is one of the final acceptance tests for this hull. We also have to perform a test on the ladders, as this will actually be one of our tow points for the vessel, where we will attach some tow slings to the ladders and use that as a way of pulling this vessel offshore. This allows us to have good access to the vessel whilst performing the installation and allowing hookup of the chains. The access ladders shown behind me will be how we actually board the vessel during the installation of the pipe. This will involve taking the installation vessel and, similar to how you do in offshore wind, push against the ladder using the installation vessel, and then climb the ladder using a safety lanyard that allows you to climb the ladder, and then should you fall, arrests your fall and stops you from hitting the water or anything below you. So we'll safely enter the vessel using that access ladder and then climb inside the hull to perform the pipe installation. So here we have a 12-ton winch that's going to be used for the riser pull-in operation. This is a hydraulically driven winch that will be loaded onto the roof of the vessel, and then using the overhead beam that we've got on the top, we'll pass down the wire installation cable through the structure and pull the riser up. So these are our mooring shackles. They're 150-ton green pin shackles, rated for, as the name may suggest, 150 tons, although the safe working load is about 450. So these are what we're going to use to actually secure the vessel in position, along with the mooring lines that you've seen outside in previous videos. And then beneath this, we've got some of the connecting shackles that are going to be used to sort of join all these pieces together.